Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. This is the tip of the day. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Hope you're doing well. Today's tip of the day, guys, is simply how to stop the scroll. So when you're creating content on social media platforms, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, doesn't matter. How are you going to stop the scroll to make sure you get that engagement from your audience? Okay, so these are absolute must-haves, definitely when you're beginning. Okay, so you need to have some kind of hook, whether that's a hook on screen, typed on your screen. I like to use bold and even block it out as a color. It just grabs their attention a lot quicker in the video. And verbalize it, right? So ask questions, share a story, but having that hook to get started is an absolute must-have, I would say. Okay, but definitely be bold. Don't worry about what other people are going to think. They don't pay your bills. They are not your perfect customer. If they question it, if they put a negative comment on there, just block them and move on, right? No big deal. Use trending videos, trending music or sounds, okay, and just save them into your save file and just use them for creating your own pieces of content. If you're finding that many people are starting to watch your videos and then your analytics are dropping off, so people are leaving maybe after say 5-6 seconds. Say maybe your video's a minute and a half, 2 minutes, but maybe you're only retaining your viewers for say 5 to 10 seconds. Now, there's two things you can do. You can just shorten the length of the video and repost it, okay? Or you can redo that video, but at the point of them dropping off the actual viewing your video, maybe add another bullet point to the screen, or ask a question at that point, or make sure you're saying something that's going to keep them on your screen for longer. Little tips and tricks, little things like that. But definitely, you need a hook, okay? You need to be offering the value, your story, and a call to action, guys. Okay, I'm still seeing a lot of beginners not using CTAs. And what you've got to remember is a lot of your videos are going to the For You page. So some of these people might never have seen you before, okay? So how do they know what to do? If these people are beginners as well, wanting to get into the industry, and you're not saying to them, drop ready in the comments, or go to the link in my bio, or send me a DM for the information, they're just going to watch your video and think, yeah, that was pretty good, and they're going to scroll. Take a bit of a time out to go through TikTok, scroll as you do, and have a look what captivates you, what stops your scroll. And just repeat the process in your own format, with your own words, for your own business. Test it out, test the waters, okay? But check your analytics, see where your videos are dropping off, and repurpose them, revisit them, and redo that video, but with stronger content at that point of the drop-off. But definitely, guys, you need to be starting with a hook, okay, in your videos. If you're not, try it. I'm sure it'll help. Hope that helps for today. See you tomorrow. Tip of the day.